Hello everyone, myself Naveen Kumar. Today we will discuss about the topic of data collection. In the first, we discuss about introduction of data collection. Data collection is a systematic approach and measuring information from a variety of sources to get a complete and accurate picture of an area of interest. Data collection enables a person or organization to answer relevant questions, evaluate outcomes. Because data is one of the most important and visual aspect of research studies. Researchers conduct in different field of study can be different methodology, but every research is based on data which analyzed and interpret to get information. Data is basic unit of statistical studies, statistical information like sense, population variables. For the every research is first step collection of data related to each problem. The problem is created, who is data collected, how is data collected, what method is used for data collections. Because data is tool to reach suitable conclusion of any problem. In other words, data collection is a process by which is reached collects the information need to answer the research problem. In the next, primary data and secondary data. There are two types of data. Primary data. Primary data are those data collected by fresh and first time. That data is collected by research from his own purpose from first time from beginning to end now as primary data. Primary source of data imply collection data which is source of original and more reliable. In the primary source the data is collected, that data is actual data is collected and more reliable. In the secondary data. Secondary data are those data which collection of data from agency which already has been collected some other purpose and it proceed its. The data is already collected existent and which has been collected from the some other purpose then the answering in the question that is called second hand data. The primary data when collected and published become the secondary data. And the next method of collecting primary data. There are 5 methods of collecting primary data: direct personal investigations, indirect oral investigations, information from correspondence, mail questionnaire method, schedule send through enumerators. In the first, direct personal investigations. In this method, data are collected personally by investigators. There are face-to-face contact with person who is information is obtained. Data are collected by asking questions related to inquiry to the information. In this method, the researcher is collect information from directly personal contact who is information to be obtained. That method used stability behind the small area is coverage, high accuracy information is collected, direct connection is required when the information kept be secret. There are merits and demerits. There are merits when personal data is collected face to face contact, that his data is more reliable, original data is collected and high accuracy data is collected. Related information is now by the researchers, the data is flexible. There are demerits, not proper for wide area. That method is used not for when wide area is coverage. Personal biasness is created when the researcher is irritated from the person, so the personal biasness is created. That method is very costly. In the next, second, indirect oral investigations. In this method, information is obtained not from the person regarding whose information he is need. It is collected orally from other person who is expected the possess necessary information. In this method, the researcher collect information to the third person who is directly and indirectly close to the person about who information is sought. In this method, merits and demerits. when wide area his coverage. In this method, the expert opinion he used for actual information calculations, because the researcher his collection of data actual, free from bias from investigator, because investigator calculate collection of information related to himself, that is personal biasness is free. That is simple that method, less costly. Demerits, less accurate, because third person he is not give accurate information, so the biasness is create, and researcher mind his doubtful conclusion is create. There are three definitions: enumerators, investigators, respondents. Enumerators: the person who collect data by conducting an inquiry or an investigation is called enumerators. Investigators: the person who plan and conduct the statistical investigation independently or with the help of others is called investigators. Respondents: the person who answer and respondents to set the question is called respondents. That is third method, information from correspondence. In this method, the researcher appoint local agent at different places. They collect information their own way and furnish the same to the investigators. In this method, through the local agent, information is collected at different places. This method is adopted by the various television channels, newspapers. There are merits and demerits. That method is economically, because less expensive and time saving method. When wide area is coverage, continuing information is collected, stable for special purpose. There are demerits, lack of originality, because the local agent and respondents not accurate information is used, so the personal biasness is create, less accurate and less uniformity. In the next, mail questionnaire method. A list of questions related to a survey is prepared and sent to the information by post. A covering letter is addressed to the informant explaining the object of survey and making a request to fill up the questionnaire and send it back with a special time. In this method, the information is collected over the email, because success is depend on how questionnaire is drafted. A questionnaire is mailed to the concerned person with a request to answer the question, and return to questionnaire is stable in various research of van geographical areas. That method is only suitable for educated people, because uneducated people is not fill up the answers. Merits: economically, this method is less expensive and time saving. Original data is collected, wide area is coverage. Demerits: lack of interest. Mostly people are not interested in these activities. Lack of flexibility in the data, limited use, less accurate data is collected. In the next, schedule through enumerators. A questionnaire is prepared as per a purpose of inquiry. The enumerator himself approaches the informants with the questionnaire. The questionnaire, which are filled by the enumerators themselves putting questions, are called schedules. In other words, different enumerators send to different places to ask questions and record the reply. Schedules are filled by the enumerators who are appointed for the purpose. They explain the aim of the purpose and object of the investigations, and also explain and interpret the meaning of the questions. This is very stable and expensive inquiries. That method is generally adopted by the government agencies, for example, counting of the populations. There are merits and demerits. When wide area is coverage, accuracy data is collected, personally contact with respondents, complete investigation. demerits. Expensive, that is very expensive method because different places appointed enumerator, so that expensive method. Time consuming, inaccurate data is collected, not stable for private sectors. In the next conclusion, data is one most important and virtual aspect of any research studies. Research is based on data which is analyzed and interpreted to get information. For the every researcher, he is the first step data collection to related his problem and interpret to get information. What method he used for data collections? Because data is a tool of research problem. Primary data properly collected can be very valuable since valid conclusion can be drawn from it. Because primary data is more reliable and that is original data, because the exact information is collected, so that the primary data is more reliable for researcher to interpret and get informations. That is, primary data is more helpful for the research studies in many fields. And thank you.